Most people think that having a smart home means you have to spend an absolute fortune to do it. Here's how you do it on the cheap. Come with me. So the best way to do it, I've found through my experience, is through Tapo. It's cheap, it's reliable, and here's how you can make a smart home with just 3 things. The app, smart plug, smart bulb. Let's dive into it. So, smart plugs. Obviously, this is about the Tapo ones because they're cheap, reliable, and they're easy to use. The smart plug I'm using, because Tapo do quite a few of them. This is the Tapo TP100. Is it? Yeah, it's TP100. Easy to use. Plug, add the smart plug to the app. Easy. Set routines, you can set automations, pretty simple stuff. And the fact is, it's all local on the Tapo app. It's brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Next one is the Tapo bulb. Now this is the Tapo multicolour, and its model is, if you can read it, is the Tapo L530E. Bit of a mouthful, but Tapo, I'm not disrespecting it, because I absolutely love your stuff. And a little FYI is that I've accidentally done my entire smart home with Tapo gear, because it's cheap, reliable, the wife can use it, the daughter can use it. Easy. Absolutely easy. So with the multicolour, exactly what it says. It's multicolour. You can have it as a lamp, you can put it in a ceiling. As long as you've got the right fitting, you're good to go. Absolutely good to go. So with a smart plug, a bulb, and the app, let's show you how to set them up. We're putting this in there. Easy enough. It's just a screw fitting, so all we're going to do is twist it in. There you go. But because I've already preset these, let's do it so I can show you how to set it up. As you saw, it's going to blink a few times. That's when you first do the install. So once you're in the Tapo app, you're going to click the plus, click add device. Then you're going to find the device you want. So we're doing a light bulb. So we're going to go to lights. Pick the device model. And then just go through the steps. Install device, click next. Click next. Then you're going to go to your Wi-Fi and select it. Obviously, I'm not going to show you mine because mine's got my password, but you're going to wait, after that, you're going to wait for it to connect to the Wi-Fi. There we go, connected. So once you've connected to the Wi-Fi again, it'll start parent device. There we have it. Now the fun part, you're getting to name it and set it. So this one is this one's going to be named from the living room, so we're going to use it as a lamp. So I'm going to name it Big Lamp because it is a big lamp. And click next. What room is it in? We're going to go living room. Click next. You can choose any icon, and I'm going to pick this one. Then you're just going to do a check firmware update if it needs to. Click got it, and there you've got it. It is now paired up. As you can see, it's now done. I set it to blue because why not? Why not? It's one of the many good things about Tapo. And I know what some people are going to say. They're going to say, I think Wizzy's better. I like Akara. I like this. And to be honest, that's your preference. I'm just huge on Tapo because they're cheap, they're easy to use, and blue. That's why. So, smart plugs. Love these. Absolutely love smart plugs. And because it's the season of giving, the season of jolly old Saint Nick, what we're going to do is we're going to put it on the Christmas tree. Because why not? Well, hello there. Welcome to my little den on the floor where I am showing you how to plug in a Tapo smart plug. Why do I do this to myself? So, very, very simple. Smart plug, you plug it in. When you first get it going, it's going to flash green and red, or green and orange. That means it's ready for pairing. So let's pair it. Once again, you're going to go back into the Tapo app, click Add Device, find your device. So we're doing plugs. We'll pick the plug you want, and then it's exactly the same as the light. You wait to pair it, connect Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, you've got it. All we're going to do now is just plug the tree in. I get close. Plug the tree in, and we're good to go. And the thing I like about these Tapo plugs is they have the on and on switch. I think most smart plugs do, but if you want to turn it off, we'll turn it off. If you want to turn it on, turn it on. Easy as that. So, like with smart plugs, smart lights, and you've got the Tapo app, you can go into it. I'm going to do another full video on like setting up a routine with the Tapo app and the smart plug and the smart light, like different automations you can do, time of day things, that kind of thing. If that's the kind of video you guys want to see, then leave a like and click subscribe. And yeah, if you're wanting like a full house smart tour, totally down for that. Totally down for that. So yeah, don't forget, leave a like, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next smart home video.